There are two important processes what we understand. One is respiration, the other is burning. What is the difference? Respiration occurs in living organisms. So therefore we call it as a cellular process, or it occurs in living organism. On the other hand, I take a piece of paper, I ignite it with a matchstick. This is a process of burning. So it is non-cellular process. It does not involve living organisms. Burning is a single step process. However, respiration is a series of steps. It occurs in cytoplasm, then it occurs in mitochondria. It is part of the aerobic as well as anaerobic respiration process that we would understand further. The next is how the energy is released. In burning, energy is released spontaneously. So as soon as you burn the paper with a matchstick, energy gets released. However, in case of respiration, it is a step-by-step process and energy is released in steps. Now, how does each step carry forward? Each step carry forwards by specific enzymes, and these enzymes help in the process of respiration. But since burning is a non-cellular process, there is no requirement for any enzyme to be involved. Energy which is released from respiration is stored how? The energy released from respiration is stored in the ATP. Then we have the ATP-ADP conversion, which is adenose triphosphate to adenose diphosphate, and this conversion process takes place. However, in the case of burning, there is direct release of heat and light. So energy is released in the form of either heat or light. Here the energy is released as ATP, stored in the ATP, and respiration takes place at the normal body temperature. So when I am taking this lecture, the respiration is going simultaneously. However, burning takes place at a significantly higher temperature because you are bringing that thing which is in the atmosphere. Let's say I have this sheet of paper, I want to burn it. I cannot simply burn it like that. Why? Because I'll have to raise the temperature. Because in normal circumstances, if it would have been burning, I could not have kept it open like this. It would have been stored in some other medium so that it does not burn. But in the case that it is required to be burned, we require a higher temperature. So that's a basic difference between respiration and burning. So 6 very important differences that we have discussed for respiration and burning. Extremely important to understand that respiration occurs in living organisms, burning in non-living organisms, and therefore it does not occur in any steps. It does not require any enzyme. In contrast to that, respiration occurs in steps and requires enzymes for the process to be completed, and energy gets stored as ATP.